For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Yes, Katrina Kaif did insult Aishwarya Rai. In the promotions of Chakka Jasoos with her ex-beau Ranbir, she was asked to link a celebrity to Fox. And back came the reply from Katrina that it is Ash. Did Katrina just hint that Ash is as cunning as a fox, or did she refer to Ash's colored eyes? Or did she say that Ash looks like a fox? Whatever Kat meant, we don't know, but we do know that she is sure about who the vixen of Bollywood is, Aishwarya Rai. Well, Katrina and Ranbir have teamed up for the promotions of their upcoming Chakka Jasoos, and obviously there is Salman involved behind the Chikni Chameli getting back to her beau for the promotions. Anyway, is Salman the reason Kat decided to take a dig at Ash or what? What is your take on this? Do let us know. We are sure waiting eagerly to know from you.
फराजी सब लोग फोटो अरे ऐसा मारना ऐसा क्यों मार रहा है सर एक साथ थैंक यू बाय एक मिनट बाय इधर मेडल के फोटो ले खान साहब यहाँ पे सामने I think I should also take a photo. खान साहब राइट में खान साहब सामने अर्जुन सर एक साथ में सर एक साथ में आइए अर्जुन सर साथ में खान साहब राइट में शाहरुख भाई छोड़ो ले निकलते कल यार राइट में अर्जुन भाई थैंक यू खान साहब एक सोलो एक सोलो सर ले
Wow, Salman fans are indeed a crazy lot. Their love for their dear Chulbul Pandey never ceases to surprise us. The latest person to enter the Salman fan club is a die-hard fan who made heads turn by getting a tattoo of Salman Khan engraved on his arm. The work has been done quite artistically, but it does make us wonder at the extent of pain and endurance the fan had to face while getting it done. We wonder if it was the love of Salman which made him bear it all. And when he posed beside his hero, proudly showing off his tattoo, he must have felt that the pain is indeed worth it. While we are not sure if it is a wise move, let us know what do you think of this beautiful tattoo on the fan's arm. Salman's Being Human Foundation recently helped a 2-year-old child in getting a liver transplant and donated around ₹2 lakh to the father who went in search of them. The father of the 2-year-old Rakesh Avar said that he had gone only for a lakh, but the Being Human Foundation run by Salman offered him 2 lakh. This is not the first time Being Human has done something like this. It has always been involved in various charitable activities and has been the poor man's friend always. Salman meanwhile is getting busy with the release of his upcoming Tube Light, which is a much-awaited film for his fans. Word has it that the movie time has also been cut short and the total run time is around 2 hours and 16 minutes. Salman obviously would employ his extra time to the needy and sick, है ना? Shah Rukh Khan would be again seen as playing the role of a Don, and it is up for a massive fanfare following for sure. All those who saw the first Don sure would remember how the old generation was rooting for Amitabh as Don, and the Gen X got their Don in their own King Khan. Then part 2 was made, and now there have been speculations for part 3 since long, and now bingo, it is sure going to be made. Ritesh Sidhwani has confirmed this, and he said they have a plot in mind and would be writing the story soon. Whether it is Priyanka Chopra or Katrina as Roma is all under discussion, and the heroine is not to be revealed for now. We are sure excited about the prequel to the Amitabh starrer Don, which began with the new Shah Rukh starrer Don, and now we are getting geared for another part. Aren't you excited to watch this? Do let us know. Well, this is some bhaichara that we are digging between Salman Khan and Sohail Khan. Yes, this picture from Tubelight is a gift for all Saldu fans who are eagerly waiting to watch the upcoming Tubelight, which is just 4 days away. The big release is up, and the Eid Bonanza is there for all the film lovers to enjoy. Tubelight, a Kabir Khan flick, stars Chinese actress Suzu and child artist Mateen Ray Tangu. A take from the Western movie Little Boy, it has Salman as Lakshman Bish Singh in search of his little brother, played by his real-life bhai Sohail. Well, the two have bonded well in the film, and we are loving to see the real bhais turn real-life brothers, aren't we? All the same, we wish you to leave us a comment on what you feel about this bhaichara between Salman and Sohail. Salman and Sohail Khan's film Tubelight is going to release in a week's time, and before the film hits the big screen, the Khan brothers seem to be in a celebratory mood. No wonder Sohail Khan hosted a small get-together for his family members and close friends. The duo were graced by close buddies like Ulya Vantur and Amrita Arora, and the party was in full swing, but Salman and Ulya were seen spending quality time with each other. In fact, even when the guests bid goodbye and went their way, Salman and Ulya made an exit together. Pictures of them both making an exit together have gone viral, and Ulya's happiness seems to have no bounds as she is seen smiling broadly. Indeed, being with Salman can make any girl feel like a princess, isn't it? What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, having played the guessing game for long, fans had almost given up on wondering what went wrong with the hot couple Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif, who fell in love during the making of Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani and even went on to be in a live-in relationship. While the two have never spilled the beans, stand-up comedian Sapan Verma stumbled onto the truth. Take a look at the posters of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Bachna Hai Hasino and Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. The leading lady seems to be laughing out loud at a joke cracked by Ranbir Kapoor. And now let's take a look at some other posters. Here we see the poster of Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani, where Kat seems so unsure of whether to laugh or not. Then comes Rajneeti, and once more no smile on Kat's face. Now the killer. Take a look at Chakka Jasoos. Wow, no smile once more. Well, moving on to other ventures, Kat is seen grinning widely in the poster of Baar Baar Dekho, where she seemingly laughs at something Siddharth Malhotra said. Sapan deduced that as Kat didn't seem to have a sense of humor and didn't understand Ranbir's jokes, the two parted ways. Hahaha, I know you still can't get over the joke, so what do you think of this hilarious take? Did it make your day? Do let us know. So here is Preeti Zinta back with her sense of humor, which is so popular in Tinseltown. Yes, the actress getting ready for her upcoming Bhaiyaji super hit with Sunny Deol was asked if she'd like to act with Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. Obviously a tricky question to handle, Preeti in her true style asked if they wanted to put her under the bus, and confidently said both. Well, we have seen Preeti with Salman as well as Shah Rukh, and till her affair with Nesbadia, she was very much a party of the Khan group. However, private matters and cricket took over, and Preeti was out of the film scene for some time. But she is back, and how? With her true spunk and charm, we love Preeti's reply, don't we? Diplomatic, politically correct, and so Preeti. What do you say?
क्रिकेट की रियल गेम के पीछे की गेम। हमने बहुत बार रियल लाइफ में मैच फिक्सिंग के किस्से सुने हैं। इनफैक्ट आज ही एक पाकिस्तानी सिंगर ने एलिगेशन लगाया है कि पाकिस्तान को लास्ट के 2 मैचेस इसलिए जिताए गए हैं ताकि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान का फाइनल में सामना हो सके। ये जानने के बाद हाउ डू यू सी दिस गेम जो परसों मैच होने वाला है? विवेक,
I think Nitesh.
I think everyone can react on that. अगर आप लोग क्रिकेट के फैन हैं और आप ये मैच
Let the analyst answer.
But is this your assumption?
Is it your assumption?
Yeah, is it that your,
What were the
that this was
statistics
planned?
involved?
That India and Pakistan will.
So I think firstly we don't know कि इसमें कोई सच्चाई है कि नहीं.
But after you.
But the spirit of Inside Edge, the spirit of Vikrant Dhawan, the character I play in the show. See, when we're watching cricket, somebody or the other in the room, in an office, in an atmosphere, when you're together watching a match, always says, "अरे यार छोड़ना यार fix है, you know, अरे छोड़ना यार पैसा खिलाया है, अरे ये तो जानबूझ के हार रहे हैं, अरे ये तो ये है, ये तो वो है, इस पे सट्टा लगा होगा, bet लगा होगा." So I think somewhere we're kind of encapsulating fictionally that spirit, that curiosity that's always there. अरे ऐसा होता होगा क्या? Also when we say सट्टा लगाया, what do we know? हमको कैसे पता है कि सट्टा कैसे लगता है? उसके wheels within the wheels कैसे चलते हैं? What I loved, what Karan brought to this show when I first read the script was there's an exploration of that whole journey. सट्टा शुरू कहाँ से होता है? कहाँ से लगता है? लोग कैसे उस पे लगाते हैं? गेम खेलते कैसे हैं? What is the game behind the game? The exploration of that is fascinating, and I think that makes for a whole new world that Inside Edge creates and allures you, invites you into. So I think that's the critical question. And चाहे कोई कुछ भी बोल ले, इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच संडे को मैं खुद भी देखूंगा।
सलमान, इसके अलावा आपका किरदार बहुत ही मतलब चैलेंजिंग है इस बार, तो क्या प्रिपरेशन की है अपने किरदार को लेकर?
की होगी पता नहीं, बट जिस दिन वो स्क्रिप्ट मैंने सुना तो ऐसा होता है कि आप जब आप एक स्क्रिप्ट सुनते हो तो अगर आप उस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने आप को नहीं देख पाते तो आइडियल चीज़ ये है कि नो मैटर हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द स्क्रिप्ट इज, यू शुड नॉट डू इट, और देन यू हैव टू वर्क दैट मच हार्ड to visually see yourself in that movie. So every film that I've done is जब मेरे पास एक कोई स्क्रिप्ट आती है, if I like it, first when the narration happens, I need to see myself doing it. जब तक कि आई डोंट सी माई सेल्फ डूइंग इट आई डोंट साइन अ मूवी। तो इसके अंदर एक जब ये कबीर ने मुझे सुनाना शुरू किया है, इस फिल्म के अंदर मैंने धीरे धीरे अपने आप को देखना शुरू किया।